Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the time my buddy Pete called me in a panic because he saw a UFO parked in someone's driveway. Turns out it wasn't an alien spaceship, it was a 1990 Airstream 350 LE motorhome that had just emerged from 27 years of barn exile. And no, it didn't beam anyone up, but it might beam you straight into retro luxury if you're not careful. Now, back to Pete's UFO. This beast is over 35 feet long, 10.6 meters, 102 inches wide, 2.59 meters, and packs a 454 cubic inch V8 under the hood, hooked to a GM Turbo-Hydramatic 400 transmission. That's the same drivetrain they used to launch dinosaurs into space, or at least that's what I told Pete. With only 17,000 miles, 27,358 kilometers on the odometer, this thing's practically a time machine. I believe it's one of the last Airstream motorhomes with a riveted aluminum body before they went fiberglass. Classic looks, classic build, and surprisingly, no classic breakdowns. Inside, you're greeted with a glorious 90s explosion, leather upholstery, mirrored ceiling panels, disco ball not included, and real oak cabinetry that probably survived more hangovers than I have. The layout includes a queen-size bed, full kitchen, bathroom with separate shower, and a front lounge area with a couch that folds into a guest bed. And don't get me started on the entertainment setup. CD player, CB radio, and TV. All original, all operational. I think I shed a tear. 2 roof-mounted AC units, propane heat, an onboard generator, and Waxoyl-treated undercarriage. This rig wasn't just stored, it was worshipped. Even after 27 years in a barn, this thing shines like a freshly buttered baked potato at a truck stop buffet. It's currently for sale in Manchester, UK. If you've been dreaming of entering the Airstream club, this is your golden ticket. Price? Let's just say it won't cost you $200,000 like the new ones, and it won't eat your soul like financing a condo.